10th of October 2015. It is Thursday, and yes, I am at work, and yes, I feel like I want to puke. I'm so tired, I'm so sleepy. Parang, alam mo yun, my head is spinning. I haven't eaten anything, so I'm gonna eat about 9, first meal of the day. I know it's unhealthy, but I need something to pick me up kasi I need to assert myself kasi nga I've been feeling down last night. Like for some reason, I have bouts of depression from time to time. So I'm like, but I never cried. When I'm having my bouts of depression, I'm just quiet and I don't talk that much. Pero once that I've gone over the depression mood, okay na ako. So yeah, so I'm just gonna eat. Awesome. So tired. I feel like I want to go to sleep again. Maybe later, I'll sleep later. I'll talk to you guys in a while. I'll just sleep. Hey guys, okay, I'm gonna be eating dinner quite early today. It's only 4:10, and the reason why I'm gonna eat early tonight is I'm not feeling well. Parang feeling ko gusto ko matulog. So yeah, so tonight's dinner is fish and chicken. So hindi siya masyadong tostado today. Thank God, my mom didn't toast them today. I love the fish. Ha ha ha. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat now kasi I'm not feeling well. Parang siguro kasi I slept really late. Really parang early morning na ako natulog kanina. My body's like next class is in an hour and 30 minutes. So yeah. I have iced tea. I'm gonna eat. I'll talk to you guys in a while. We're going down again. Kakababa ko lang. Sinuwad kasi gusto bumaba. Si Flora bumaba na siya. Nasa kanya yung ano ko, Lyra ko. Hey guys, okay, I have a class in a couple of seconds, but I just want to share something that I saw on Yahoo just earlier, and it was about this LGBT, what do you call this? That's my tomboy in Showtime. If you have Showtime, you'd probably know that. I haven't seen it actually, pero nagulat ako, one of the contestants actually is named Rejoice Pau Paraon, and my middle name actually is Paraon, so I don't know if we're related. I'm gonna research later. May klase na ako. Hello. Hi, good evening. This is Teacher Alex. I'm looking for Dean. Hello. Hi, Dean. How are you? Oh, you're fine. That's great to hear, Dean. Are you ready? I know yesterday was Hangul Day, right? Was it a holiday yesterday? Dean, hello. Dean, what was the holiday yesterday? Dean, what holiday did you celebrate yesterday? Dean, do you know yesterday was Hangul Day? Yes, what did you do yesterday? Again, sweetie? What did you do yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? Hey guys, it's already 10:23 in the evening and I'm so tired. Nothing really happened here at work today. Everyone was like dead quiet. Well, something did happen. Like the account near our stations, their system actually collapsed, so they went home earlier than expected. Yeah, good for them. We were hoping we should go home early too, but yeah, never gonna happen. So yeah, so that's it for today. Didn't really do anything today, so yeah. It's such a boring day, that's it. So yeah, so I do have to go now. Thank you so much for watching, and oh my god, I'm so tired. I just want Saturday to come so I could sleep all day. Yes, I'm serious about that. Let's see you guys next time, okay? Thank you so much. Bye!